Hello everyone, in today's video, I am going to review Superbox S6 Max. Superbox S6 Max has some official features. It is equipped with Android 12, a quad-core Cortex-A53 CPU, Mali G31 MP2, GPU 4GB RAM and 64GB storage. It has a sleek metal build and a modern interface. It supports dual-band Wi-Fi, 1000 Mbps Ethernet and Bluetooth 5.2. It claims support for 6K video at 60 FPS, time shift playback, last 8 hours of live TV, voice commands, and parental controls. The Superbox S6 Max offers a modern design with powerful hardware specs. It has advanced features like time shift, voice control, and Wi-Fi 6, along with easy setup and a 1-year warranty for peace of mind. The Superbox S6 Max has some drawbacks, including frequent buffering or freezing during live TV. It has risks of device lockouts from unauthorized sources. It has possible network slowdowns with misleading channel claims, and security or privacy concerns, particularly with counterfeit units. The Superbox S6 Max looks powerful on paper, but real-world performance is unreliable. Many users face streaming problems, lockouts, and security risks. Unless bought from an official seller and with managed expectations, it is too risky compared to trusted Android, TV, Fire Stick, or Roku devices. That is it. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more videos.